we are going to discuss about 8th class 4th lesson reproduction in animals. In previous class already we discussed what is reproduction and what are the types of reproductions in plants and what are the types of reproductions in animals. What is our lesson name? Reproduction in animals. In animals, reproduction two types. One is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means what? The reproduction in which only either male parent or female parent is participated. That type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. In previous classes already we discussed some types of asexual reproductions like binary fission, fragmentation, budding, regeneration. These are the some types of asexual reproductions. Today we are going to discuss about cloning. Today we are going to discuss about cloning. Cloning means same kind. Cloning means what? Same kind. Next, what is cloning? What is cloning? The process of, listen carefully, the process of producing identical individuals or identical individual or organism by naturally or artificially. This is called cloning. Okay, what is cloning? The process of producing identical individual or identical organism by naturally or artificially is called cloning. First time this cloning, it is cloning. It is discovered by the scientist Ian Wilmot. First time he did his experiments in the University of Roslin Institute of Scotland. Next, what he did, how he is discovered the process of cloning. First of all, he conducted his experiment in sheep. He chose two varieties of sheep. In that, first one is female fin dorset sheep, and second one Scottish black-faced ewe. Here he choose two varieties of sheep. In that first one name is female fin dorsal sheep. Second one Scottish black-faced ewe. These are the two varieties of sheep. First of all, he collected a cell from the mammary gland of a female fin dorsal sheep. Mammary gland. He collected a cell from the mammary gland of female fin dorsal sheep. Next, what is this? This is the cell. It is collected from mammary glands of female fin dorsal sheep. Next, this cell. This is the nucleus. This middle round ball-shaped structure. This is called nucleus. This is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. This is the nucleus. Next, in second sheep, he collected a cell, egg cell. What is this? Egg cell. This cell also, it is looking like a dorsal cell only. What is this? This is plasma membrane. This is nucleus. After collecting the cells from two different shapes, in this here what happened? The egg cell which is collected from the Scottish blockface, in this egg cell, what he did? He removed this nucleus. He removed this nucleus, and in that time we will see the egg cell like this only. Yes, sir. Egg cell. What is this? Egg cell without nucleus. Next, after removing the nucleus from the egg cell of Scottish blackface ewe, what he did? He isolated or he separated the nucleus of the female fin dorsal sheep cell. He separated the nucleus. He separated the nucleus from the mammary gland cell. This nucleus. What is this? This is nucleus. This nucleus, it is implanted in this. This nucleus, it is implanted into egg cell. Yes, sir. Where is nucleus now? Inside the egg cell. Egg cell. After implant the nucleus in the egg cell, what happened? He implanted this egg cell in the womb of a Scottish blackface ewe. In that time, what happened? This egg cell, it is developed and it is developed into embryo, and after gestation period, the Scottish blackface, it give a newborn sheep. This sheep name is called as Dolly. This Dolly, it is born on 5th July. Dolly was born 5th July 1996. What is the date of birth of the Dolly sheep? 5th July 1996. This is the first mammal animal cloned by the scientist Ian Wilmot. This is the first cloning animal in the world. This is the very important and general knowledge question. The animal which is the first cloning animal in the world, Dolly. What is the birth date of Dolly? 5th July 1996. Next, in the year of 14th February 2003, it is died with lungs disease. This is about cloning. How the scientist Ian Wilmot cloned the animal dolly? First of all, he collected a cell from the mammary gland of female fin dorsal sheep. Then, from the second sheep, Scottish blackface ewe, he collected a egg cell. This egg cell, what are the structures are the plasma membrane and nucleus. After collecting the two types of cells, what he did from the egg cell, he removed the nucleus. Next, from the female fin dorsal sheep, what he did, he isolated the nucleus. He separate the nucleus. The separated nucleus, it is implant into the egg cell. After implant the nucleus into the egg cell, what he did, he implant into the womb of Scottish blackface ewe. After gestation period, it gives a newborn sheep. That sheep name is called as Dolly. Dolly's birthday is 5th July 1996. Next, after 7 years, by the date of 14th February 2003, it is died with lung disease. This is about cloning. Okay. Next, we have to discuss about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Up to now, we discussed the asexual reproduction and cloning process. Next, now we have to discuss about sexual reproduction in human beings. First, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? The process in which, or the reproduction in which both the parents are participate in reproduction and produce a offspring. That is called sexual reproduction. What is the main difference between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, either male parent or female parent is participate in the reproduction. But in sexual reproduction, what happens? The reproduction in which both the parents, means male parent and female parent participate in the reproduction and produce their offspring. This is called sexual reproduction. Okay. What is sexual reproduction? The reproduction in which both the male and female parents are participate in the reproduction and produce their offspring or next generation. That is called sexual reproduction. Yes, sir. Next, here two parents are participating in the reproduction. The male parent and female parents, they are producing the sexual cells separately. Male parent, it produces the sexual cell. That cell is called sperm cell. This is also called as male gamete. Next, female cell or female organism also, it produces a special sexual cell. That cell is called ovum. Or this is also called as egg cell. When these two parents, they are participate in the reproduction, in that time what happens? The sperm, it is entered into the sperm cell, it is fused with this egg cell or ovum. In that time what happen? For example, sperm cell, it is exin stage. Egg cell or ovum cell, this is also exin stage. When these two parents are participate in the reproduction, what happen? The sperm cell, it is entered into the female reproductive system, and this sperm cell, it is fused with the ovum or egg cell. In that time what happen? The X plus X, it forms a 2X cell. This 2X cell is called a zygote. What is this? Zygote. Zygote, it is 2X in a state. Next, here the male and female parents, they fuse with each other. That is called fertilization. What is this process is called? Fertilization. What is fertilization? Male gamete fuse with female gamete is called fertilization. What is fertilization? Male gamete fuse. Fuse means what? Meet. Fuse with what? Meet. This is male gamete. This is female gamete. Male gamete fuse with this female gamete. This process is called fertilization. After fertilization, what happens? The zygote is formed. This zygote again it is developed into embryo, and after gestation period, it give the newborn baby after gestation period. After gestation period, the embryo, it is fully developed into newborn baby. Next, here how to clearly observe. In frogs, in fishes, in sheep, in goats, in buffaloes, and cow species. Here what happen? In fishes, the female frog is there and male frog is there. Female frog and male frog, they are separated. In human beings, male organism, male human being is there, female human being is there. Yes, sir. Next, male sheep is there and female sheep also separate. Here what happens? The sexual organs are different, or the sexual organisms are different in most of the animals. But in some animals, what happen? A single organism, it contains both male organisms and female organs. Male and female organs. This is called a hermaphrodite. What is hermaphrodite? The organism which contain both male and female organs in same body. That organisms are called hermaphrodites, or the phenomenon is called hermaphrodites. Example: snail, slug, leech, and earthworm. In these four animals, both male reproductive system and female reproductive system, both these reproductive systems are present in a same body. That is called hermaphrodite, or that organisms are called hermaphrodites. This is about introduction part of sexual reproduction. If you have any doubt in this, feel free ask to me. Definitely I will clear your doubt. Thank you.